Shika mtoto wako, shika mtoto.
Wazazi mtakeni mtasubiri. So tukitoka hapa.
He is the reason.
Entrepreneurs in their own rights.
Put on hold. You can now put
Given to the thousands of the promising students.
We all know that the government has just changed the funding model for higher education. A week ago, the PS for Higher Education indicated a desire to review university fees for 2024 first-year students, and that is why the number of beneficiaries reduced from 100 to 72. My call is that fees should not be raised by our universities. Further, we should have a simplification of the application procedure for both government support and help loans so that students are not knocked out on technicalities. Related to this, students without IDs should not be disadvantaged when it comes to applications for help loan. We've noted that some students ambao hawana vitambulisho, they are actually denied help loans. So my call as one of the leaders is we should not disadvantage students just because they don't have identity cards.